Alright everybody, this is Brad with Nursing a Meal, and I've had many requests to share the recipe for the very popular rum punch that we had at our boodle fight. So, we have a few tweaks for the American folks, but I tried to go as traditional as possible. I have Tanduay rum, both light and dark. Then I also have some amaretto, I have some calamansi juice, grenadine, I have some mango juice, ginger ale, and some tropical fruit juice. So let's get started. Alright, to start off with, we are going to have one shot each of a light rum and a dark rum. This happens to be Tanduay rum, which of course is the most popular rum in the world, so I am told. Then a shot of the dark rum. And a shot of amaretto. You can use any brand you want. Alright, from there, the next thing that goes in is a little calamansi juice. This is Cheers calamansi juice. You can find this in the Philippines. Here in America, actually, you're probably not going to find it, so you may need to use just straight lime juice. Calamansi is a Filipino lime. Now next we have a few options. For the party, I went with Philippine mango juice. I love the mango juice. This is actually a mango nectar. I think it goes very, very well with that. And we're going to go equal parts with the liquor. Now if you don't have any mango juice, you can use any tropical fruit juice. I like mango just for the more Filipino, but here standard you can use orange juice and pineapple juice, whatever you want to use for the juice. Next thing is a little bit of soda. Now I prefer the ginger ale. I think it adds just a little bit extra to the punch, but you can also use Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you want to use. Just gives it a little bit of bubbly. And then the last thing is just a little splash of grenadine. And now what we're going to do is just pour that over a little bit of ice. And that is my Philippine rum punch.